Good morning, all. Myself, Vishnu Vijayan, Assistant Professor of MBA Department. Today, we're going to discuss about Fisher's quantity theory of money. So, this topic is coming under Unit 4 of Business Economics. That now, as for mechanical and as for automobile students, need to watch this video. So, Fisher's quantity theory of money is something related to controlling money supply in an economy. So, Fisher is a great economist. He studied on the relationship between money demand and money supply in an economy. So, let's go to the next slide. Let's see in detail what is Fisher's quantity theory of money. The Fisher's quantity theory of money, the first and foremost theory on demand for money, was introduced by the famous classical economist Irving Fisher in 1911 in his famous book The Purchasing Power of Money, in the form of equation that is MV is equal to PT. So that is the equation of Fisher's quantity theory of money, MV is equal to PT. So let's move to the next slide to elaborate what is the equation is. So you have to study by heart Fisher's quantity theory of money, MV is equal to PT. MV is equal to PT. According to Fisher, when other things remaining same or other things remaining unchanged, as the quantity of money circulation increase, the price level also increase in direct proportion and the value of money decreases and vice versa. So let's move in detail about this definition. When other things remains changed as the quantity of money in circulation increases. When all other factors are remain same, when the quantity of money in circulation increases. That when RBI increases its money supply or printing, what happened? The price level also increases in direct proportion. We already studied in the topic of inflation. When a country going to increase its money supply, what will happen? When money supply increases, the also increases the price level also. So in an economy, when money supply increases, the general price level also increases. That's the same Fisher also said in this equation. And the value of money decreases when the price level increasing in an economy. That is when the general price level of all products in an economy going to increase, what will happen? The purchasing power of money also decreases and vice versa. So when increase the quantity of money supplied in an economy increases, what happened? The purchasing power of the product decreases. Purchasing power of the money decreases. So the same way, when the supply of money decreases in the economy, what will happen? The general price level also decreases and the purchasing value of money increases. So these are the relationship between money supply and money demand. So before we going to study about the supply of money, we have to make sure the equation MV is equal to PT. That is Fisher's equation. Fisher's equation states that MV is equal to PT. So MV means money supply, PT means money demand. So you have to know. The Fishers already told you. The Fishers already told through the equation that the money supply is equal to money demand. So MV, it shows the money supply and PT shows money demand. So here we going to elaborate or going to discuss in detail about the left hand part of the Fisher's equation, that is MV. MV denotes supply of money in a market. The supply of money, how we get that value? The supply of money is equal to, the supply of money consists of quantity of money in existence That is how much the quantity money that exists in an economy, that we denoted as EM, and that quantity of money in existence multiplied by the number of times this money changes hands, that is the velocity of money, that denotes by V. So the velocity of money into the quantity of money existence, we get the supply of money in the market. That is left hand portion of the Fisher's equation MV. In Fisher's equation, V is the transaction velocity of money, which means the average number of times a unit of money turns over a changes hands to effectuate transactions during a period of time. So we explaining in this slide about the left hand side of Fisher's equation, that is MV. MV denotes money supply in an economy. So the money supply we get by multiplying the existence, the quantity of existence money into the velocity of money circulation in an economy, that is M into V. So you should be by heart this equation, MV is equal to PT. So MV denotes supply of money we will get by M into V. M is the existence of money and V is the velocity of circulation of money. So next one, a demand of money, the right hand side of the Fisher's equation PT we are going to study. The money is demanded not for its own sake, that is for hoarding it, but for transaction purpose. The demand for money is equal to the total market value of all goods and services transacted. It is obtained by multiplying total amount of things T by average price level. So average price level into total amount of products that circulated in the market, we get demand for money. So demand for money PT, that P means average price level in an economy and T means multiplying total amount of things. Let's move to the equation in detail. The Fishers introduced his theory on money through an equation MV is equal to PT, where M is the total quantity of money in circulation, V is the velocity of circulation of money. By multiplying M into V, we get the money supply in the economy, and P the general price level in an economy, and T total volume of transactions. So total volume of transaction we get by the general price level into number of purchasing takes place in an economy. So by multiplying P into T, we get the money demand in a market. So money demand of the money in amount we will get by the general price level into total volume of transactions, that is demand. MV gives the total supply of money in the economy during a given period. It is total quantity of money supplied by the economy over a period of time, and PT we get the money demand.